reviewing this hair, and if you like my style, keep watching. Okay, so I'm going to open it. Wow. Okay. You guys, this is so cute. It says Natural Girl Wigs. Finest hair for natural queens, and it has their information. But you know, we have our melanin queen on the front representing. I love the representation, and I believe that this is located in Nigeria. Okay, packaging. Okay, so y'all, for your first purchase you get a free bonnet. I didn't even put what color I wanted, so I think it automatically put like blue, but it's a satin bonnet. This was free. Shipping was like $15 though, but I ain't tripping. So nervous. Okay, it comes in one of these. Cute. This is the hair maintenance guide. We're gonna open this up. Oh, y'all know what this feels like? This feels like Bob Marley. Oh my goodness, what's this? This feels like Bob Marley hair. Oh, this is interesting. Like, I don't know what this is, but first of all, they're coming through because I don't know what this is. Let me see what this is. Okay, this is the maintenance hair guide. Do not comb the hair, fluff it with your hands, trim the ends, or shape using scissors. Use spray shine. This is spray shine to soften, or use water to soften the texture. Clean wig every 10 to 15 wears using dampened towel, sun, air dry. Do not wash, color, or deep conditioner, use any heat. Do not apply oil or greasy greasy product on wig. Keep hair in your cotton satin bag after use. Now I'm going to put this on. Well, we're gonna put it on together. As you see, it's like a big clump right now, but let's see where this goes. Okay, so this is the inside, but I'm not sure which side is the back and which is the front. It has two combs, so I'm taking, this is the side, and I'm taking this is the front. No, this is the yeah.
Hey bro, come on now, dog.
This is the front. I really think this is the front. Okay, put that on. Okay, can't see. I know what you're thinking. What is that on your head? Have no fear. Lanis is here. Let me just do this for now. We're gonna customize this, of course, to fit our face. It's cute though. I like the texture. If you know how my real hair looks like, you like, Lanis, that is your hair texture. I know. And because what the world, right now it's like not fitting my face at all. And I like that you can't really see the stitching. It's just like big and like, but this is definitely not how it would go out. We have to fix this. So I'm gonna fix it. I'm gonna come back. Oh, get into this texture. It's so big. Okay. Okay, so basically I'm trying to cut the shape of my face. So I go in, like, I want this, you know, shape it with like, make it look like layers. So I'm just like cutting like up. From the back, it's gonna be more of a challenge. I'm shaping it to my liking. I mean, big hair is cute, but like, you know, you gotta make it the way you would wear it. This is really taking a lot. Okay, needs more. And it's cool because like, as you're cutting, even if you make a mistake, it's not totally noticeable because all the hair just blends together. It's always gonna be an afro, so you don't really have to worry about any unevenness. You see, like, I don't know how to cut things. Like, this one looks cuter already. Like, so I decided I want to focus on one side first, and then I'm gonna move to the next side just to keep, you know, since there's a lot of hair, I'm trying to keep myself from being overwhelmed. So I'll be back. Okay, so we've been faced with a dilemma. I cut this side bigger than this side. You see it's smaller.
And your hair is uneven.
It's not as easy as it looks, y'all. It's not. Like, I'm gonna continue though.
3 hours later.
Hi guys, I am back and I finished my hair. It took me a while because this hair, it was a lot of hair, and I like that because it gives you the opportunity to shave it down how you want to, trim it how you want to. And so this is what I came out with. I ran into a dilemma, as you saw earlier, and I cut my hair too short. So when you're cutting, you just want to be careful because like, it's like this, but this also stretches and you don't want it to be uneven. And so I really love it because this is like legit my hair texture, and it's just but yeah, I really love it. It's cute. This spray smells good. It smells like cologne, low-key, but it smells fire. This is to make your hair shine, and then I sprayed some water on it, but that's it. And then I just fluffed it. Like, this hair is and it's fluffy and it moves like what wig? Like what wig? Like what wig? What wig? What wig? It says when you're done wearing, put it back in the bag, and I suggest you do that because you don't want it dust to get in it, or you want to make it last as long as possible. This hair was not expensive at all, you guys. That's what I'm saying. It wasn't expensive at all. I'm just gonna be doing this. Like, it wasn't expensive at all. Just so you can see my hammer. It wasn't expensive. It's like $65, but you have to pay shipping and handling, of course. But this wig, yo, this is called the big Arewa. Excuse my American accent. It's so pretty, y'all. This looks like my hair texture. Like, get into it. Like, no, I don't want to go. I'm in quarantine. I have to stay inside. Soft. You spray water and that other stuff that I mentioned before to spray on it to make it softer. It's on my head perfectly. I got a 20 to 22. Yes, I have a lot of sense in my brain. So this fit perfect. The cap, they have a small, medium, large. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions about this hair or anything, just drop them in the comment section below. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.